Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit your personal information in your Google account quickly and easily. Keeping your details up to date is important for security and convenience. So let's get started. First, open your Google account homepage. Look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This could be your photo or your initials. From the menu that appears, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your account dashboard. On the left side, click Personal Info. Here you'll find all your important account details organized into sections. Start with the basic info to update your name, birthday, gender. Simply click the section you want to change and enter the new information and save your update. Next, go to Contact. This is where you can add or update your recovery email and phone number. These details help protect your account and assist with recovery if you ever get locked out. Then click on the address to review or update your current address. Keeping this accurate is useful for security and services linked to your account. And that's it, guys. You have successfully updated your personal information on your Google account. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials.